Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to change your email on Wix websites. First is you have to go ahead and open your web browser and then log into your account. Now that you're here, just click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen and then click on the account settings. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this page right here. Now you just have to scroll down and be able to see here your account email. Now to change this is you have to click on this one and you have to enter your Wix account password. So after typing out your correct password, you can now click on the section right here to enter your new email account. So make sure that your password is correct so you could be able to save your changes. Okay, so just type out your new email and then confirm your new email account. And then you just have to click on next. And then after that, you'd be able to have your new email account on Wix website. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.